Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I have iPhone 15 on my desk for the repair. So the front screen is broken and but back is fine. So let's put the plier tool and open it. So this phone will open like iPhone 14. So underneath the LCD there is adhesive tape. So put the plier, and it has hinge right there, so I can try from the other side first, and let's see. So the one side I think is detached from there, but there is the one, yeah, so this one is just detached from the body. So let's take out from the top and push a little bit and it will leave the body. So let's open, kind of book style. As you can see, it has a metal plate inside, the same as iPhone 14. So I need Y tool. So let's remove the top screw and the bottom one, which is one for the screen, and other one is the proximity sensor. So let's bring the let me take out the plastic tool or the tweezer. So just take out that thing. Look at this. So this piece and this piece, so both are the cover of the connectors. So after this you can easily disconnect the connector and disconnect the screen from the body. So this is the proximity sensor, and you need a Phillips tool to remove that top plate. You'll see that plate, and then be careful because it's very thin layer. So put this plier tool first on the sensor and a little bit push up, and you'll see it's not actually it's a little strong. So let's put some rubbing alcohol underneath that, so it will melt the glue and we can take easily out. So this is the new screen. I got it from my supplier. So it is iPhone 15. So this is a screen. Everything is all you need to remove this proximity sensor from the body. See, after rubbing up alcohol you can easily take out. Look at this, and it has a sensor. So this is the new screen. Put this sensor back to the new screen, and you can see and align properly, so it will stay there and it will easily connect to the motherboard. So this is a flip screwdriver, and the only screw on the screen which is a flip one. So after this, just connect to the motherboard. First connect to the proximity sensor side, so you can, after this, it's kind of tiny, and now it is a screen connector. So after this, the both connector are connected, so make sure everything is properly aligned. So now this metal plate and both metal plate, and after putting screws back, you can see, and let's turn on, and shows the Apple logo, which means the screen has display. Let's wait a little bit and look at, and then it is working. The touch is showing everything. Touch is working, I mean. So your screen is ready to go, and thumbs up if you like that video, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video, and thank you very much. And cell phone is ready to go. Have a good one.